Hey, Fifth Harmony.
Hi there.
How are you guys?
We're great.
Awesome.
You know, we always like to do something that supports people coming in. We want to support your single. We want to get your music out there. This time we thought about taking it a little more literal than usual.
Okay.
Songs.
How so?
Well, the song's called Sledgehammer.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So everyone, give me a second. We're gonna set up. I have something to get you guys. We're gonna try something with a sledgehammer. This is an authentic from the building sledgehammer right here. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Here's how this works, guys. One at a time. You gotta come up here and give the pumpkin the best you can. You gotta sledgehammer it the best.
Hey, Lauren, helpful tip. Don't slam your toes.
1, 2, 3. Sledgehammer! Oh, nice. Sledgehammer. Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Sledgehammer. Nice. Nice. She healed it. I like that. 3. Sledgehammer. Okay. Oh, gosh. Oh. 3. Oh, you can. Yeah, get it. Ladies and gentlemen, hey, great job, great job, great job. Guys, give it up for Fifth Harmony. Make sure to listen to Sledgehammer after you saw Sledgehammer. Thanks for checking us out at the Dunkin' Donuts Iced Coffee Lounge. Bye, everybody.